Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Portronics Ruffpad 15 Re-Writable LCD Writing Pad. This is an LCD writing pad aimed primarily at children. You can see what this writing pad is going to look like, and it's pretty massive as well, as you can tell. Over here there is some information: easy electronic writing, extra large, extra durable, smart lock, long battery life, single tap erase, and environmental friendly. Do we have any more information? The color is grey as it's written over here. And yeah, this is it. This is all, more or less all the information on the box. Let's just open it and see what's inside. This is it. This is what you find inside the box. This is the user manual for the Ruffpad 15. Everything that you need to know, how to use it, etc., it can be found over here. And this is the LCD writing pad. It's pretty large. I will see if I can find out the dimensions. Actually, there's nothing's written. Absolutely nothing's written. So yeah, this is the LCD screen that you use to write on it. Once again, aimed primarily at children, so you can just start scribbling like so if you want to write your name, or start drawing if you want to introduce your children to drawing and stuff. So that's also, this is a great tool for that as well. It also helps practice writing as well. You know, so you can just write here to your heart's content, really. Something like that. This is the erase button. When I press on it, nothing really happens because right now it's locked. So there you can see. This is the erase lock. I'm going to unlock it. And notice that this is where the battery is. This particular LCD screen runs on a CR, it's a 3-volt battery, CR1632 battery. So now let's try erasing it. I'm going to press on it, and there you go, they're all gone. Now you can start all over again. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Portronics Ruffpad 15 Re-Writable LCD Writing Pad. Thank you for watching.